not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates.
Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Let's start. India's first bullet train will run between which of the following cities? Kolkata to Ahmedabad, Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Kolkata, or Mumbai to Ahmedabad? The answer is D. Mumbai to Ahmedabad. India's first bullet train will run. Recently, this project was accorded wildlife clearance on Jan 10th, 2019. Therefore, this project is again in news. So remember the highlights of this project, very important from exam point of view. The total length of bullet train is 508 kilometers, which starts at Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai and terminates at Sabarmati in Gujarat. The project is expected to be completed in the year 2022, and the project was inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi along with his counterpart Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe in Ahmedabad in September 2017. Which country has the world's largest health scheme? China, USA, India, or Canada? The answer is C. India. India has the world's largest health scheme. Ayushman Bharat has stabilized as the largest health scheme in the world, benefiting over 10 lakh patients since its launch. Remember this scheme, very important from exam point of view. It was launched on 23rd of September 2018. Remember the date. Ayushman Bharat Yojana, also known as Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana or National Health Protection Scheme, or shortly known as Modi Care. Now this scheme will cover almost 10 crore poor and vulnerable families, providing coverage up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization. Russia to develop new missile systems by which year? 2020, 2021, 2022 or 2024? The answer is B. 2021. Russia to develop new missile systems by the end of 2021. Russian Defense Minister said that the country must develop new types of missile systems in the next 2 years, that is by 2021. USA has repeatedly accused Russia of violating the INF Treaty. INF Treaty is an intermediate nuclear force treaty, which is a 1987 arms control agreement between United States and the former Soviet Union. Now recently USA has opted out of this INF treaty, and in response to this, Russia wants to develop a new missile system. Supreme Court makes clear NRC deadline won't be extended. What is the stipulated deadline for the completion of the NRC exercise, National Registry of Citizenship exercise, which is take place in Assam? March 31st, 2019, April 30, 2019, June 30, 2019 or July 31st, 2019? The answer is D. July 31st, 2019 is the deadline for the completion of the NRC exercise. Supreme Court of India recently lashed out on Centre after Attorney General of India K.K. Venugopal urged the court to allow the NRC work to be kept in abeyance. Abeyance means suspension during Lok Sabha elections 2019. K.K. Venugopal says that 167 companies of Central Reserve Police Force which are deployed in NRC work to be redeployed for the election work during Lok Sabha elections 2019, and Supreme Court of India observes that there are total number of 3,000 companies of the CRPFs, and for the election work 2,700 companies are sufficient, and why to redeploy the 167 companies of the CRPF which are working for the NRC? And Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi says the Ministry of Home Affairs do not want the NRC work to carry on at any cost. Donald Trump will hold a second summit with Kim Jong Un in which of the following country? Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, or Japan? The answer is B, Vietnam. US President Donald Trump has confirmed that he will hold the second summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong Un in Vietnam on February 27th to 28th. Remember, the first summit was held in Singapore on June 12th of 2018. Now, there was a question regarding this. They asked the place along with the date of their first summit. So, remember, very important. What is the national animal of Pakistan? Tiger, lion, markhor, or snow leopard? The answer is C. Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. The markhor is also known as the screw-horn goat. You can see it in the picture. So when you relate it with the current affairs and study, it will be easy for us to remember the national animals of different countries. Recently, US national has paid over 78 lakhs as permit fee to hunt Pakistan's national animal markhor. Deepika Reddy receives Sangeet Natak Academy Award for her contribution in which of the following field? Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, or Kathakali? The answer is B, Kuchipudi. Now, she has been in the field of Kuchipudi for the past 47 years. President Ramnath Kovind presented the Sangeet Natak Academy Awards for the year 2017 at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi yesterday, and 42 artists across the country were selected from the field of music, dance, theatre, puppetry, etc. And remember, these awards were first instituted in the year 1952. And they may be questioned here. Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi originated from which of the following states? So you need to have minimum idea of classical dances along with their states. Very important. Which team won the second Ranji Trophy title in a row? Saurashtra, Vidarbha, Mumbai, or Kerela? The answer is B, Vidarbha. Vidarbha won their second Ranji Trophy title in a row after beating Saurashtra by 78 runs in the final. The Ranji Trophy is a domestic first-class cricket championship played in India between teams representing regional and state cricket associations. The most successful team is Mumbai. It had won almost 41 titles. What is the name of the scheme announced in Interim Budget 2019 to 2020 which provides pension for the informal workers? Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan, Atal Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bhima Yojana, or Pradhan Mantri Mandhan Yojana? The answer is A. Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan is the scheme announced in Interim Budget which provides pension for the informal workers. Now, under this scheme, all the informal sector workers with an income of less than 15,000 per month are included, and this works out to almost 10 crore people. Now, subscribers will receive an assured monthly pension of 3,000 per month from the age of 60 onwards, and they will have to pay rupees 55 per month if they join at the age of 18 years or rupees 100 a month if they join at the age of 29 years. And the government has reportedly set a cap on the age of joining at 40 years. Centre bans Tehreek-ul-Mujahideen for which of the following reasons? Promoting terrorism, human trafficking, drugs trafficking, or none of the above? The answer is A. Promoting terrorism. Union Home Ministry has banned the Tehreek-ul-Mujahideen under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The main reason is for promoting terrorism and radicalizing and recruiting youth in Jammu and Kashmir for the terrorist activities in India. Let's see the question for the day. Who among the following is chosen as the new CEO of the Cognizant, who will take over the firm from April 1st, 2019? Brian Humphries, Francisco de Souza, Rajiv Mehta, or Lakshmi Narayan? Mention your answers in the comment section. Now, before we move on to the previous day's question, please participate in the poll which I have mentioned two options. Do you want me to do 1 week current affairs in one video or 1 week current affairs completed in two videos? That means one video will be uploaded for every 3 days or 7 days. So mention your views in the comment section or participate in the poll. Now let's see the answer for previous day's question. ABBR is the name of the common digital currency launched by the central banks of United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. So currencies are very important from exam point of view. Do remember ABBR or ABBR. Quote for the day, difficult doesn't mean impossible. It simply means that you have to work harder. So put your efforts sincerely. Your hard work will not go in vain and you will succeed for sure. This is it for today. Have a nice day.
Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.